So just want to give you a very quick heads up here before a weekend. So I'm going to go through net gas, coal, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So a quick heads up here for net gas. As you can see, the price is now in the decision mode. I'm still expecting a bullish candle here. As you can see, we do have this bullish pressure, but I want to see a candle that fully engulfs the previous candle, including the wick. That would be much better for a bullish entry condition. So I want to see a better entry conditions. We might see a push down as mentioned yesterday within this zone, and then price can create a nice bullish engulfer. So once we have that, I will enter my long trade in this area of value. So just look for a good reason to enter, a strong reason to enter to take your long trades. Before that, this is not a sell signal. In case you are wondering, this is not what I look to enter my sell trade. It is an engulfing candle, but that is not a valid entry, sell entry condition. So again, look for a candle. Price can still push down, pull back up, push down, and then you might see a double bottom condition, or we can still get an aggressive entry in within this zone like a bullish engulfing candle that fully and must engulfs the previous red candle, and previous candle has to be a red candle to call it a valid bullish engulfer. So keep an eye here, look for a good condition. We are in a buying area. Once we have condition, we will go along. Right here on Ovanda, price still did not make it to this level. By the time the price pushed down within this zone, the lower level of this zone, we might see a hit of this zone right here as well. So as I have an account with Ovanda, I will only enter my long trade if we have a hit of this zone followed by one of the entry condition you learn in trade alerts on here on my YouTube channel as well. So keep an eye here, enter a trade with a good condition only. We still do not have a very strong reason to enter buy trades. Let's check gold. So price here on gold is still trading above 50 EMA. Now if you want to buy gold, wait for the price to close above the stop, which is 1928. Once we have that, then the price will enter in a possible bullish area. Once we have this candle closed above right here, then I want to see another candle that must close above this zone. If that happens, I will use this zone as my trend continuation zone or my support zone to take my long trade with a retest, and until the price will hit the next level of major support right up there. So I'll keep you guys updated once we have a break and close above this candle. If not, price can still create another bearish engulfer. If we have that a rejection here again, then yes, we will have a triple top right here. So keep an eye here, wait for now. This is the decision zone. We can still get a bearish candle here. If we have that, then we will good to take short trade. Let's check silver. So silver is now trading below 50 EMA. So I won't be buying at this point until the price completely broke and close above 50 EMA. So now at this point, price can still reject 50 EMA and create a nice bearish candle. If we have that, we are good to take sell trade, use 1 ATR for the target. So I'm not looking for buy, only look for sell opportunities until the price hit this next minor level of support, which is 22.65 goes up to 22.94. This is the zone from where we will enter our counter trade using engulfers or my double bottom entry pattern. So keep an eye here as well. Let's check crude oil. So awesome push down out of this engulfer. As you can see, we had 1 ATR target from here. If you would have entered here, the price has pushed down more than 1 ATR. So at this point, price is now pushing back up in this zone. Mark your rejection area like this. Now if the price push up, reject it from this zone again, then we have a valid double top pattern. If we have that, we will take sell trades again, use 1 ATR for target. If broken above this top, then in that case the price will turn bullish and we will only look for buying opportunities. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video and have an awesome weekend.